Oh, road trip. Road trip. AJ.
Tulog.
Go.
Dapat malayo para kita yung ano lang bridge.
Busy yan.
Para kita yung
When we reach the peak, makita. Ayan ako siya. Yeah, maybe that's... Yeah, yeah.
alin.
Hotel na yan.
Ito?
Tabi ng construction.
Construction din.
Ayan na nga yun. Kaya po, bridge.
Kaya po bridge.
Tapos sa baba nito yung mga polis. Laong Aracha. Laong Aracha. Laong Aracha. Laong Aracha. Oy. Time check, 8 p.m. Lafayette, Louisiana. Free chips. Okay, time check, 8:41. Change driver. Okay guys, day 1, time check, it's 11 p.m. We're at Mississippi Welcome Center. It says no overnight parking, so we'll just rest for a while and then continue driving. On our way to brush our teeth. Brush teeth, brush teeth. Oh yeah. Okay guys, we're here at the Mississippi rest stop and enjoying some Wi-Fi. Alabama. Time check 5:30 a.m. It's almost sunrise. Says Milton.
5 hours away.
Okay guys, day 2. Dito namin sa Florida, pero 5 hours away pa yung hotel namin sa Orlando. Kami dito sa Waffle House. Ayan, pamilya ko. Uminom lang ako ng gamot ko dito. Hindi ko na kwento sa inyo, no? Hando kami sa nung dumating yung anak ko galing Austin. Ang intro sa akin nung isa kong anak, sabi, look at kuya, no? Nagpatato, may tattoo sa arm, no? Yung anak kong yan, yung panganay na yan, last time ko siya nakita December pa nung umuwi siya, no? Syempre pag magulang ka, matutuwa ka makita mo, tapos sasabayan ng nagpatato, di ba? Mabubuisit ka, pero syempre mananaig yung ano mo, yung pagka-miss mo sa anak mo, hindi ka na magagalit, di ba? And then doon mo ma-realize na matatanda na talaga sila. 24 years old na siya eh. Hindi na kailangan ng ano eh, ng permission ko, no? So yun lang, nakaka ano lang na malalaki na yung mga bata. Hindi na sila katulad ng dati. Okay, another rest stop, driver change. So, but this rest stop is nice. Driver. Matanda ka na. Yeah, this rest stop is nice. Okay guys, another rest stop. We're 2.5 hours away. And restrooms are nice but no Wi-Fi. Hi guys, we saw this sign, Florida Disney tickets, Universal tickets for 99 bucks. We gotta check it out, but it looks I don't know, looks shady. Go inside. Okay, looks legit inside. Okay, go. Looks legit. What? Wow, look. Okay, next stop, we're gonna go there. Okay, move! We're gonna check it out. We're here at the and no purses, no backpacks, briefcase or bags. Let's see. Then, open the door. Let's see. Amoy luma. Smells old. Wow, okay. Sounder. Map. The graduate. Go.
Whoa! Blood of Jesus. Oh my gosh. I see what I do. I see what I do.
We're already here. Come on. Okay, the graduates. Then mga kabatch mo. You should be, mga kabatch mo nagsusuot na. Wear it. Nag-aayos na sila.
Kasi magpapapicture
Yeah.
sila dito.
Hi guys, we're here at the convention center. Orlando Convention Center. Let's go. AJ, JM, why are you going there? No. AJ, no. Come here. That's a long step. Up. Graduates. JM, AJ. 1, 2, 3. Huh?
Business Administration, Master of Clinical Mental Health Counseling, Master of Healthcare Administration, Master of Information Systems Management, Master of Philosophy, Master of Public Administration, Master of Public Health, Master of School Counseling, Master of Science, Master of Science in Nursing, and Master of Social Work. In other words, if you're getting your master's degree, this means you. Ms. Freeman, on behalf of my esteemed colleagues on the faculty of Walden University, I have the pleasure of presenting to you these candidates who've completed all their master's degree requirements.
Master degree candidates. Upon the authority vested in the Board of Directors of Walden University by the state of Minnesota, I confer upon you the degrees to which you are entitled with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities thereto appertaining.
Graduates, you may be seated.
Congrats, congrats! Wala nang kanta. Ay, wala na, buboomer ako sa...
Picture na lang.
Ayun nga, picture ako. Yep, yeah, on our way to the parking lot. Yeah, we need to go upstairs. Hi guys, we're done with the event this morning, and then we're just gonna drive around and enjoy Orlando, Florida. Okay. My two sons are doing bouldering. They call it bouldering. Take pictures, AJ. Oh, banding yung magkuya. Oh, you're done. Where's JM? Oh, my vlog. Oh, my vlog.
Is it time?
Hi guys, we're done, let's go. Let's go back to the hotel.
Downtown.
Hi guys, we're here at Disney Springs. Parked at the 5th floor, row 4. Row 4 ah. Row 4. Yeah. Hi guys, we're here at Disney Springs. Wow. Yeah. Jim, where are you going? Naalala ko dito may may mga magnets. Na nagbebenta ng magnets. Yeah, actually hindi pa nga, yeah, I remember Planet Hollywood. Hindi pa madami yan eh. Day 3 we're going to Universal. Okay, say hi to the vlog. Hey guys, on our way home we gotta pass by my wife's friend who moved there in the US. They're in D-Land, Florida. Look at the houses, the land. I don't know how you pronounce it.
Turn right onto West Florence Avenue. Then the destination is on your right.
West Florence, which is this. Oh, okay, nice neighborhood. Nice. On the right, this guy right here.
The destination is on your right.
Wow. Ito.
Arrived.
Oh, naka-Corvette sila. Okay. I think this is the place because they have a camper van and they have a boat. Okay. Yeah, of course.
Of course.
I'm gonna put your social. Okay guys, good morning. Nagising ko lang. Nakitulog kami dito sa bahay ng kaibigan ng misis ko. Pero naging ka-work ko din. Alam niyo ba yan? Land, Florida. Ito yung backyard din. Mamaya gagawin ko ng sariling vlog tong bahay nila. House tour. Yan, may kawayan oh. Tapos meron silang steam room. Okay, we're in the beach. Here's the rain. We're in the beach.